Hello guys, it is Brittany here and welcome back to my Color Guard YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you want to learn our toss of today. If that is the case, then please keep watching so we have another fun word for you today. Let's go! Alright, so today we're going to be learning about the fun world of punch tosses. If you don't know what a punch toss is, keep watching to see an example. So first things first, you're going to want to start with your flag at a right slam or a right slant or at a right angle, whatever your instructors call it. I call it a right slam. It means your flag is down and towards the right side of your body. This is my right. Your flag should be on your right. Okay? You're going to start with your right hand palm facing the ground on your tab, left hand also palm facing the ground on your upper third, okay, closest to your end cap. You want to hold your flag at this angle, making sure you have nice energy over it. Your left hand's responsibility is going to be your pull down hand, okay? Obviously for standard tosses, it does kind of the same thing, so there should be no issue there. It's just a little bit different on the way it's positioned, okay? Same amount of effort will need to go into this toss. Your right hand is going to be how high your toss is going to go and also tell it where to go. So depending on how much you want this to rotate, your right hand will indicate that as well. Okay? So when we start this toss, we want to think about pushing straight down and right hand lifting straight up. This toss is quicker than most, so even on a smaller toss, we're going to shoot for full soft or a full extension, which is either a straight arm with a slight bend or fully straight, depending on what you need to do to get it out. Okay? So I'll show you an example of what it should look like when you release a single punch toss. And 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you so much for tuning into this video today, guys. I hope you learned another lovely skill to put in your color guard inventory. If you want to learn more of those kind of skills, I have plenty of playlists and videos all around this channel for you to look at. Also, don't forget to put your questions, comments, and concerns in the comment section down below and subscribe to learn more tips, tricks, and tosses. Until next time, guys. Bye!